Alright, so in your kit, in order to put your Buddy Phone on, you'll need your AGA mask, your Buddy Phone assembly, and a small zip tie. So the first thing you should do is undo these two screws. You just remove them by going counterclockwise. And they'll come all the way out like that. And then you can just pull this. Just pull that out. And that will come off. So that'll look like that. You can set that off to the side. Then you'll take your push-to-talk assembly and you'll need to feed this microphone and wire through the hole of the mask. And you want this tab to be facing up, and this flat portion will be flush against the regulator like that. So this will go in here. Like this, and here I'll flip it over so you can kind of see what's going on there. So the microphone will come through the mask underneath that for now, and we can adjust it when we're done. But we'll need to push this against that so it's flat like that. We'll screw these down. Like that, so now we got it screwed down. Then we'll attach the Buddy Phone to the higher strap on the mask. So you'll take your strap, push it down into the groove. You set it down on the table, just like that. You'll push all the way in there, and that'll slide on there like that. And then with your zip tie, your small zip tie, you wrap that, can you see that, around the buckle. Wrap it around the buckle loosely. Just like that, so the wire can move in and out, just so it holds it, and you can cut the rest of that off. And then at the end, it's important that the microphone is right up to your lips so you can speak into it. So when you put it on your face, you can talk into the microphone. That's it.